Today's question comes from Red Whisk Media, who commented on my video, the 4 easiest countries in Europe to move to for Americans. Check it out. And their question is, I think the D7 visa was just canceled, wasn't it? So first, for context, let me explain really briefly what the D7 visa in Portugal is. So it's a residence visa to live in Portugal that you can qualify for through passive income if you meet the financial requirements. Now, I go over this visa more in my video of how to move to Portugal from the US, so please check it out. So to answer your question, if Portugal's D7 visa has been canceled, and the answer is no, it has not been canceled. The D7 visa is still available. So what you might have heard is that Portugal's Golden Visa has been canceled. So Portugal's Golden Visa is an investment-based visa that allows you to gain residency to live in Portugal if you have a lot of money to invest. So earlier this year, it was reported that Portugal was going to discontinue their Golden Visa. So this means that if you were interested in gaining residency in Portugal by investment, this would no longer be an option. And just to give you some insight, the investment for the Portugal Golden Visa ranged from anywhere from 250,000 euros to 1.5 million euros, just depending on the type of investment. Now, those investments included real estate investments, capital transfers, and investment funds. But wait, there's more. There has been a plot twist on this visa because just recently, so this is July of 2023, the Portuguese Parliament has actually proposed a restructuring to the Golden Visa instead of wiping it out altogether. So this new structure or restructuring has not been approved into law yet. But what does this mean? Well, with the proposal, it does show that real estate investments will no longer be an option in the Golden Visa scheme in Portugal. Now, if you are interested still in investing in Portugal, but not through real estate, the new proposed scheme will have a financial requirement that ranges anywhere from 250,000 euros to 500,000 euros at the minimum, and the investment amount will depend on the type of investment you're making. These are the proposed areas that you might be able to invest in, and those include artistic support, scientific research, investment funds, commercial investments, and job creation. So again, real estate investments are not included in the new proposed scheme. But we'll just have to wait and see what the final outcome is once this new proposed scheme has been approved into law. All right, if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and you never know, your question might be the next one that I choose for my Ask Seppi series. And as always, if you need more resources to help you with your move abroad, grab my digital book, I'm Outta Here, an American's ultimate visa guide to living in Europe. I break down the 18 easiest countries to move to in Europe based on over 50 viable visa options. You can find the link below. And also, if you're a woman age 30 and over, please join my next Move Abroad After 30 masterclass. You can find the link below as well. And also join my free Facebook community. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, turn on notifications, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future Move Abroad content.